Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm here with the C400 GT from BMW just to show you the clock, which is a very complete clock with a lot of information, and I decided it deserved its own video, and that's why this video it's just the clock, nothing else. Everything else that I'm going to show you in the clock then you can see on the review, which I'll show you the GPS, the contacts and the media, everything on the review. But for now, first things first, we are going to use two buttons, which is this menu button up and down to select, and we're going to use this wheel up and down, left and right for the choices. So everything when I start using the menu, it will be with these two buttons here, nothing else. So here it is, the clock. You have the total kilometers there, you have the speed, you have the speed limits, you have temperature here, information that you have more options down. You have phone connected, battery, network, and you have the clock there. Here you have ABS, traction control, you have the blinkers and the daylights and everything. All that information also will come here on the clock as usual. And here, what else we have? We have trip 1, we have trip 2, we have the time that is spent on trip 1, the time that it was rested on trip 1, trip 2, you have the total the range, and you have the fuel level, and again 2 total kilometers. This information is configurable. I'll show you in a while. And every time you see this little green arrow here, it means you have more options, so you have to press the menu button down to access those options. And here we have the options, and now we have the wheel to enter those options. Okay, we're gonna start with my vehicle. We're gonna press down. We have all this information here, because the first option is oil temperature, the range, the battery voltage. This is the information. Then you have trip 1 information, all the information about trip 1. As you can see, there's the arrow there. You have more things where you can reset all values or reset individual values. So I'm not going to do that. The same information for trip 2 and maintenance on this schedule or on those kilometers. And basically this is it. So let's go back. Urban. Okay, you have this arrow, so we go back. Gives you the RPMs. This menu you will see on the review if you want the RPMs working and everything. Here is just to show you how to access it. Now go back. Navigation, if I go down, okay, this is my final destination. I already arrived to my final destination. You have the volume there, and while riding you'll have the indication turn left and right, everything like I said. Go to the review to see that information. Here, media and phone, it needs to be paired, and also need to be paired with my helmet. That's why it's not activated at the moment. And the last one, it's configuration. When we go down, and you have system configuration or vehicle configuration. This is the alarm. Okay, we have several options for the alarm. Underneath is traction control. You can put traction control on and off if you want. Okay, just to show you, go back, configurations again. Then you have system configurations, date and hour, units and language. Nothing interesting. Connections. Here is where you connect to the phone, where you connect to the pilot helmet, and to connect to the pillion helmet, and there erase all the connections. So go back again, connections again. Indication, we have here the luminosity, 60% of the screen, and continuous line status is this status here, where you can decide whatever information you want to show. Okay, which one has the check mark, it will show there. If it doesn't have the check mark, it will not show. So if I want to remove this, I just remove the check mark, and I'll put this one and remove that one. So you can configure whatever information you want here, and go back, and again configuration. And the last one, it's information, which is basically licenses and software version, so nothing special. And that's it. This is all the information that you have. So you go back and you go back and you go to the main screen. So this is what I wanted to show you, the clock with all the configuration that it's possible. I really hope that it was useful, and please don't forget, subscribe to the channel, follow my other networks, click the notification bell. If you want to support the channel, you have my Patreon and my PayPal links down below, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!